In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone an Ecwid website step by step. Let's dive right in and explore this process in detail to ensure you can replicate your store seamlessly. First of all, we need to access the Ecwid control panel. This is your hub for managing your store, and it plays a crucial role in the cloning process. Go ahead and log into your Ecwid account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll be presented with various options and tools designed to enhance and manage your e-commerce experience. Among these options, you'll find the Website tab, an essential entry point for our task today. Next, click on the Website option. This section provides an overview of your current website setup, including design elements, domain settings, and other integral components of your online presence. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this interface as it offers numerous customization choices. By doing so, you're setting the stage for successfully copying your store to another platform or website. Now, once you're in the website section, direct your attention to the option Add Your Store to One More Website. This is the function that allows you to duplicate your existing store's setup onto a new site. Clicking here will initiate the process of creating a replica of your current Ecwid store. You'll be provided with a specialized code or widget that you'll need to integrate into the new website you want to host your store on. At this point, you're able to add your store to any website you own, effectively cloning your Ecwid store. You can choose between formats, host platforms, and site builders that best suit your business needs, whether it's WordPress, Wix, or any other CMS. It's crucial here to ensure that your new website supports Ecwid's integration. If there are any compatibility issues, reference back to Ecwid's help guides or contact their support to address these concerns promptly. With this completing step, you've successfully made your Ecwid store available on another site, broadening your store's reach and potential customer base. While maintaining the look and functionality of your original store across multiple domains, remember to regularly sync your product data between platforms to keep your operations smooth and cohesive. To sum things up, what makes this process truly powerful is the flexibility it offers, allowing you to present your store in more than one digital space without juggling separate inventories. Keep exploring Ecwid's range of tools and updates to continuously elevate your e-commerce strategy. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in.